Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and that the path is reachable. This prevents permission errors later. Next, decide whether you need one folder or a workspace that aggregates multiple folders for related projects. Once decided, pick the right tool, a lightweight file manager for simple browsing, or a workspace-aware editor when you want search, extensions, and project settings. Start the tool, then point it to the selected path so you can proceed to configure views and indexing. Once the tool is open, use the quickest method available: menu open, drag and drop, or a command like code, depending on your environment. If you selected a workspace-aware editor, enable workspace settings, indexing, and extension scopes so features run only where intended. Make sure file filters and hidden file visibility match your needs, and confirm the editor detected the correct project route. These steps reduce search noise and ensure extensions behave consistently across folders. To finish, save the workspace configuration and sync your settings if available so the setup is reproducible. Then validate the environment by running a quick search, opening essential files, or performing a small build. This confirms indexing and paths are correct. If something fails, check error logs and permissions first, then restart the tool and re-add folders if necessary. One key tip: clearing the editor cache or reloading the window often resolves stale indexing or extension conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.